For an additional assignment this week, I decided to do it on internet safety. I feel like this is something that is needing to be more known, especially for those kids that are in elementary school and so on and so forth, even in high school. It's just getting super dangerous. One of the links that I had found was Stay Safe Online, and their mission states to educate and empower our global digital society to use the internet safely and securely. And once I had kind of read that, I had thought that's kind of a big important thing to talk about, or to know anyways. And then on Common Sense's website, the thing that really stuck out to me was they said, discuss with kids what it's like to have a gut feeling in an uncomfortable situation, and for them to realize that this gut feeling can really save them in the long run of things. And then the website Dare also says that the internet provides many benefits, but many dangers for children who, by going online, have access to a world that now has access to them. Protecting children from internet predators is a main focus of DARE's program. And that was also just kind of like the mission statement, and I thought that was really big and something that really needed to be known. And then on Edutopias, they talked about talking to kids about asking them, like, what is a stranger? What kind of things should we not tell strangers? What kind of thing is it okay to tell a stranger? And to let them know that there are strangers online, no matter how close that they feel like they are with them. And I feel like internet safety is just one of those things that needs to be talked about more widely in programs.